this video I'll walk you through how to use Bybit demo trading. So this demo trading gives you an option to practice your strategy on how to trade, so you don't need to worry about losing money. So this is the purpose of this demo trading. So you have some BTC, some Ethereum, some USDT, but this is not to real money, but you can use it to trade. So let's get into this video. So right here you want to navigate to this tool, and you will come to this demo trading. So this is the interface of this demo trading. You can start live trading right here, go back to normal and Bybit accounts, but right here this is demo. So any trading you make right here, you won't lose any money. You are just playing around, trading, know how trading works. So let's say for instance you think BTC is trading right here. It came to BTC trading around 79,000 and it's trading down right here. So you think this is going to go down short period of time, and you want to short using this, trading this. You just need to come over here and press one BTC and press short. So once you press short, it's going to really give you this function to really give you an insight how it's going to look like if you be using real money to trade. So there are some information right here to confirm. If you don't want this system to be showing you this always, you can press not to show again, but it's good for you to take trades to know what you are taking. So just press confirm, and I will just need to come over here. You see this is the current order to short BTC at 79,360. So right now, once this order is filled, you'll be able to find this in position. So let me just go through with this. I don't want to waste your time. Just market and press, because market is just going to take the trade immediately. So I'll press confirm. I understand. You see, immediately once you use market option right here, it's going to place the order immediately, and this is being used 10x. So let me talk about this leverage right here. You have leverage to 100x. So remember, the higher leverage you are using, the risk you are taking. So if you be using 10x leverage, you are taking risks, but it's not like 100x. So you see the second order is being filled, and if you be using 3x or 2x, you are not taking much risk like using 10x. So but you are still taking risk. Note, there is risk to reward and attached to this using leverage. So that's why people make money using leverage, and if you know how to trade, there's money to be made using leverage. Note, take this video as educational purpose. There's always risk in trading. So, and you want to like come to this your position right here, and you see right here this in 12% $12 in loss USDT. So there are some stops you need to, like, if you are trying this out, you can set your stop loss. You can set your stop loss right here. Let's say for instance I want to take any trades, and right here I want to take any trade. I want to set a stop loss. Let's say when BTC go up 2%, I want to take a profit. When it went down 2%, that's 1-to-1, and I will confirm this and I will short. So confirm. So confirm again. I understand what I'm saying. So if BTC go up right now 2%, I'm going to be liquidated, and if the BTC go down 2x, I'm going to take profit. So this is how this copy trading and demo works, and you can just come over here, trade whatever strategy you want to like try out. You can always change this cross margin and isolated margin. This isolated margin is actually good because the money you put on this isolated margin is you are going to lose money, solely money on this, but this cross margin, you can lose your entirely trading account putting your money or using this cross margin, because once the money you put in trading this token is you are being liquidated, like you are in negative, is going to be using your normal money, normal accounts, your funding account to trade. But if you are using right here isolated, enable this. If you be using isolated, it's just going to use the solely like funds you use in setting up these trades. So that's how you can really use this and Bybit and demo account to learn how to trade and relatively play around this. You are not losing money, and if you want to go back to your normal account Bybit, just come to this and start trading live right here. It's going to take you back to the normal account. So if you get value in this video, make sure to like this video and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this demo account. And yeah, if you find value in this video, make sure you turn up your notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video.